Hello students, welcome to my Maths Time YouTube channel. From the 10th class in the arithmetic progression first chapter and from the exercise first, today we are solving the second question. And second question is, write first four terms of the arithmetic progression, and the first term is A and the common difference is D are given as follows. Here there are four questions. A is first term and D is the common difference. They are given, you have to write out the general progression, arithmetic progression. So when A and D are given, we have to use the general form of AP, that is A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. In the previous video I have explained how to write the general form of AP. So what is A? A, write 10, A plus D, that is A is 10 and D is 10. Again A is 10, 2D, that is 2 into 10, and A, third term is A is again 10 plus 3 into D is 10. So these are the terms. Just that is 10, 10 plus 10, that is 20. Next 10 plus 2 into 10, 20, and 10 into 3 into 10, 30. So these are the terms. You simplify again another step, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this is the arithmetic progression when A equal to 10 and D equal to 10. And second problem is A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. A is the first term and D is the common difference, that is 0. So again you have to write, in every problem you have to write the general form of the arithmetic progression, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Then I will write A is minus 2, then A plus D, that is minus 2 plus, that is 0, D is 0. Then A is again minus 2 plus 2 into D is 0. Then A again minus 2 plus 3D. 3D means 3 into 0. So these are the first four terms. Simplify, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, and minus 2, 2 into 0, that is 0, and minus 2 plus 3 into 0, that is 0, like this. Again simplify, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So this is the required arithmetic progression. Second problem is finished. And coming to third problem. Here A equal to 4 and D equal to minus 3. The means A is the first term, that is 4, and common difference is minus 3. The general form of AP you have to write here A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Substitute the value of A and D. That is A is 4, A plus D, that is 4 plus D is minus 3 here, so you write this in the bracket, and A again 4 plus 2 into 2D means 2 into minus 3, again 4 plus 3 into minus 3. So this is the arithmetic progression. Next simplify again one step, 4 plus into minus, minus 3, 4 plus into minus, 2 3s are 6, and 4 plus into minus, 9. That is 4 minus 3 is 1, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2, and 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So this is the general form of arithmetic progression. Next fourth question is A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 1 by 2. Here first term is minus 1 and common difference is 1 by 2. Again write the general form of AP, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Now substitute the values. A is minus 1, right, and A plus D, that is minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. A plus 2D, that is minus 1 plus 2D is 2 into D is 1 by 2, and this term, third term, fourth term, A, that is minus 1 plus 3D. 3 into D is 1 by 2. Next again simplify, that is minus 1 That is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. How will you simplify? You take LCM. That is 2. Here 2 minus 2 plus 1. And here 2 ones are get cancelled here. That is minus 1 and plus 1. And here similarly minus 1. This is 3 by 2. Minus 1. This is minus 1 by 2. And minus 1 plus 1 is 0. And here again take LCM. That is 2. This is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1. That is 2. Plus 3. That is minus 1 by 2, 0, and this is 5 by 2. So this is the expression. Next, fifth problem is difference is minus 0.25 is given and A is minus 1.25. That is these both are in the decimal form. A first term and common difference, they are in the decimal form. So write again the general form of AP, that is A equal to A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Substitute A, that is minus 1.25, this is first term, and A plus D, that is minus 1.25 plus D is minus 0.25. This is A plus D. Next A plus 2D, that is minus 1.25 plus 2D, that is 2 into D is minus 0.25. Next is A plus 3D, that is A is again minus 1.25 into 3 into D is minus 0.25, like this. Simplify, that is minus 1.25. Next minus 1.25, write as it is, plus into minus, minus 0.25. The coming to third term, minus 1.25 plus into minus, minus 2 into 25. First you multiply 2 into 25, 50. That is 2 decimals you have to write left to the answer. That is 0.50. And next this term is 21 minus 1.25 plus into minus 25 3 is 75. It becomes 0.75. Now coming to the final step, that is minus 1.25, minus 1.25 and minus 0.25. Add that is minus 1.50 and minus 1.25 and minus 0.50 you add and write minus sign, that is minus 1.75, and this is minus 1.25 plus and minus, means you add these two terms, that it will be the answer minus 2.0. So this is the required expression. So this completes the second question, and coming to the third question. Third question is, for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. So what is it is, expression is given 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So you have to write the first term, that is A, and common difference, that is, suppose these are A1, A2, A3, A4 the terms. How will you calculate, find the common difference? A2 minus A1. So first, in the first expression, arithmetic progression 3, that is A is 3. This is the first term. And common difference, how do you find? D equal to second term minus first term. And it should be equal to third term minus second term. That is A2, how much? 1, and A1 is 3. Similarly, A3 is third term is minus 1 and minus a2 is 1. What is the answer? 1 minus 3 is minus 2 equal to minus 1 minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2. Similarly, coming to the second one, here first term is minus 5. That is a equal to minus 5. We have to find first term. Common difference. Common difference, how do you calculate? That is a2 minus a1. a2 is minus 1 and minus 5. a1. That is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 5. That is 4. Common difference is how much? It is 4. Similarly, for the third problem, a is 1 by 3 and other terms are 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. 4 terms are there, a1, a2, a3, a4. A is first term, that is 1 by 3. D equal to, common difference, a2 minus a1. That is a2 is 5 by 2 second term minus first term. That is 1 by 3. Sorry, this is first term, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM and 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 3. So what is the common difference? 4 by 3. Next one is fourth one. The terms are 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9. So these are in the decimal form. The first term is A. That is A is 0.6 and D. D equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 1.7 and A1 is 0.6. That is 7. Subtract 0.6 from 1.7, you get 1.1. So the difference is 1.1. So these are the 5 problems from the third question. Thanks for watching. Thank you.